Okay, so I want to talk to you a little bit about how math is going to go today. Okay, so when you click the next arrow on your module, you're going to come to this page. Okay, and this is set up exactly the way we would do math in the classroom. This first one is just a 2-minute little video telling you about the math boxes that I'm going to need you to complete for lesson, I think it's on page 88 actually. I'm going to talk to you about that. Then you're going to come down to the second video once you've done your math boxes, and now you can check your answers to see if you got them correct. If you were confused, or at any time, if you get confused and you're not sure how to complete a math box problem, then come straight to this video and go ahead and watch it, and you can do it with me. Okay, and then once we're done with our math boxes, just like in the classroom, we would go into our lesson for today. So you would need your math notebook, and you would go ahead and take notes on here, pause the video when you need to, and rewind it, look at it again as many times as you need to if anything's confusing. And then at the end, it's going to tell you which math page to work on. I believe it's page 89, but I'm not positive. So for math, just like we would in our classroom, you're going to start with math boxes, then we'll go over the math boxes together, then we'll have our lesson for the day, and then you will work independently. No homework tonight, okay? Just working on these 3 videos. Okay? Good luck.